Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So as you have seen previous 5 video we have made a balance color. So this is the last glitter color, green. So let's make the green glitter slime. So I'm pouring some gum. So now let's close it. Now let's pour the glitter. Now let's mix the glitter. Guys, now let's pour the activator. Now let's mix it well. Guys, you can see the slime has got ready. So I put less gum in it not to waste it. So now let's put it on the table and check. Is it fluffy like the previous 5? Guys, it's so nice. This is the best one from the 6 made and see. Hope you all like this video. Please like, share, comment and share this video to your family or friends. So thank you for watching this video and bye.